In this screencast, I'm going to talk about how you add the graph of a second function to an existing plot, or how you would modify an existing plot. And these instructions will apply primarily to Excel, but the ideas may be portable to other spreadsheets. So let's switch over to Excel. Here's our existing plot example, and suppose we now want to add to this a g of x, and g of x is, let's make it simple, just cosine of x. So let's add another column for the g, the new function g, and so here we'll have cosine of, and I just arrow sideways to get the x value, which is that one. And now to quickly copy this, there's a quick trick. So if I click on that cell and I double click the bottom corner, it automatically copies until the bottom of the neighboring cell, as long as there's entries all the way down. So let's add this to the existing plot. So what we do is we either right click or control click and go to select data. So here you can see we have the existing data. Here are the x values, and they're in entry D3 to D23. That's the x values, and the y values are in E3 through E23. That's these guys, so that's all correct. So now let's add, well, we could modify these if that's what our goal was, but let's add instead a new series. The name of this series, click here, is going to be g of x, which is in F2. Oops. Did we get that? Yeah, there it is, in F2. And the x values are the same as before. And now the y values will be in column F. And there is the cosine of x added to the same graph.